Hello guys, in this short video I want to show you an interesting example of PHP enum on steroids. So enums can be used not only for storing values but for adding logic to those values. And this example comes from a package by Ben Bjorstrom OTPs, which I already covered on this channel, so sign into Laravel with one-time password. If you haven't watched that video, I will link that in the description below. But today I want to focus on this one. So there's OTP status, one-time password status, and these are the statuses, the possible values. And the interesting part is not that they are assigned with numbers, but they are assigned with error messages as well. And let's take a look where in the package that error message function is actually used and how. And this is the first example in getOTP controller, which is assigned to the route of route get OTPs by ID. It is used twice. First case, if request has not a valid signature, then the error message is taken from specific status of that OTP status signature, which then is found here, and then this message is returned. Another validation, if the session ID is not valid, then we get another error message about session, which is this error message from here. But even more interesting usages of that error message function is the action of attempt OTP. So someone enters their one-time password and then it is validated with a lot of private functions, in this case protected functions. And then the third, validate session. Again, if the session is invalid, then this is the error message from specific value. But look here, if the current status isn't active, then the error message is taken from current status. And that OTP status, the field in the database, which is actually a number, it is cast with casts of eloquent model. So there's OTP model, and then we have OTP status class in the cast array of the status. So then it goes full circle. Enum class contains all the possible values with the error messages corresponding to them. And then it is used in multiple places, either with specific value or with the one from the database. And then it goes on actually. Validate not expired. So again, OTP status error message, validate attempts, validate code, and then specific value again invalid. And then finally validate signature with signature error message. So yeah, this is an example how I can use enums kind of creatively, assigning more logic than just the values. What do you think? Would you have done this differently? What are other alternatives? As usual, we can discuss in the comments below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.